taking pictures or?
No, video.
Video, of course.
So I'm just gonna take a bite. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing, but.
Is it good, hun?
I'm gonna have one of the black ones, I think. 'Cause I think the black ones are more potent.
The seeds are more potent.
No, of course. It's all in the
Oh.
seeds.
Last time I didn't have the seeds.
Oh, right. Because you only had just... Yeah.
Need the light on. It's too dark.
But anyway, the bag only lasts for, you know...
Oh, there.
It does make me hiccup.
Alright, here we go. The whole thing.
Makes me hiccup.
Oh, wow, that's on.
Why won't have it make worse?
Oh, that's cool.
It peaks at like 6 minutes.
Awesome. Way too long.
You want to go back?
I guess so. Yep, mouth is burning.
I'm not going to eat the full thing. Go. Reminds me of Rhett and Link.
Tears and all.